Welcome. Today, we're going to go through the steps to delete your X account, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you're looking for a break from social media or you've decided to move on, the process is straightforward. Let's get started. First, launch the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon, which you can find in the top left corner. Tap on your profile picture or the navigation menu icon. Next, tap on Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the options you need to manage your account settings. Now, look for the option labeled Your Account. Tap on it to access account-related settings. From there, select Account Information. Here, you'll see the option to Deactivate Account. It's located at the bottom of the page. Tap on this option to begin the deactivation process. After that, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the deactivation. This may include reading some important information about what happens when you deactivate your account. You might be asked to enter your password, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may also need to provide a 2FA code. This extra layer of security is there to protect your account. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be deactivated immediately. However, keep in mind that if you change your mind, you have 30 days to log back in and reactivate your account. After that, your account will be permanently deleted, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your X account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your social media accounts.